Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet a 3D coaster, which is very simple and easy. So friends, for this project, I am using a 3mm crochet hook. And a 3-ply cotton yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. And make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now start our first row with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now make chain 1. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our third double crochet stitch. Make double crochet 4 by repeating the same pattern. Again make chain 1 after 2 double crochet stitches and make double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. So repeat the same pattern and make 12 double crochet stitches like this, making chain 1 in space between 2 double crochet stitches. So friends, I have completed. Now pull the starting yarn tail to make a circle. Make last chain 1, go into chain 3 and make a slip stitch. So our first row is completed. For the second row, we are going to change the color of the yarn. So go into the space between chain 3 and double crochet stitch. Not go into the stitch, go into the space between the stitches and pull the yarn. Now after changing the color of the yarn, make knot so that your stitches may not lose, and make chain 3 for second row, which is also counted as double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same space and make double crochet 2 after chain 3, go into the same stitch and make double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 2. After making chain 2, wrap the yarn, skip this chain 1 in space, go into this next 2 double crochet stitches, here space between the stitches, go into it and make 3 double crochet stitches again, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 1, chain 2, wrap the yarn again, skip this chain 1 space, directly go into the space between next 2 double crochet stitches here and make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. So repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Now make last chain 2, go into this chain 3 and make a slip stitch with the other color yarn. We are going to change our yarn color again and again. So now left the green yarn and work with yellow yarn. Make chain 3, go into the next stitch and make a double crochet stitch, go into the next stitch and make a double crochet stitch. So we have made 3 double crochet stitches including chain 3. After completing, wrap the yarn twice for triple crochet stitch. Go into this first row, chain 1 space here, only into this chain 1 space of first row, and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops. Make chain 1, chain 2, again wrap the yarn twice, go into this chain 1 space again, turn the green row to back side so that you have no problem while working into the first row. So this is a triple crochet V stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch, 1, into the next double crochet 2, into the next double crochet 3, after making 3 double crochet stitches, again wrap the yarn twice, go into this chain 1 space of first row, turn this second row to back side, and make a triple crochet stitch again by pulling the yarn through 2 loops, then 2 loops and again 2 loops. Now make chain 2, wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain 1 space of first row and make a second triple crochet stitch here. So this is our 3D pattern. I hope you can understand easily. Now make 3 double crochet stitches to this second row, 3 double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch. Repeat the same pattern till the end. So friends, I have completed. Now we are going to change our yarn color again. So bring this yarn up and make a slip stitch to chain 3. After making slip stitch, pull the back side yarn and make it tight. Now make chain 3 again to start the next row. After making chain 3, go into the second stitch and make double crochet 2. After chain 3, go into the next and make double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into this triple crochet stitch and make double crochet 4. Now wrap the yarn twice to make a V stitch again. Go into this previous green row, chain 2 space and make a triple crochet stitch. make chain 2, wrap the yarn twice, go into the same previous row chain 2 space and make a triple crochet stitch like this. As you can see, skip this yellow chain 2 space to back side. Now go into this triple crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch here, 1, go into the next double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, again wrap the yarn twice, go into this previous chain 2 space and make a triple crochet stitch, make chain 2, wrap the yarn twice and make a triple crochet stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Repeat this row till the end. Now again change the color of the yarn for the next row. Go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Pull the green yarn and make chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Go into the next and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. Now wrap the yarn twice, go into this chain 2 space of previous row, turn the green color chain 2 space to back side and make triple crochet stitch, chain 2 and triple crochet stitch to this yellow chain 2 space. Now make double crochet stitches into every stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and repeat this pattern till the end, and you can make as many rows as you want. So friends, after making the required rows according to the desired size, I will show you how to crochet the last row. Make chain 3, go into the next stitch and make double crochet 2 after chain 3. Take the ending yarn tail between your stitches, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, now again wrap the yarn twice for triple crochet stitch, go into this previous row chain 2 space here and make a triple crochet stitch. After making a triple crochet stitch, now go into this second row chain 2 space here and make a double crochet stitch 1 and a double crochet stitch 2. After making 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space. Again make a triple crochet stitch to this previous green color chain 2 space. I hope you can understand easily. Now make simple double crochet stitches. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, repeat this till the end. So after completing your double crochet stitches, now I will show you again how to make this second V stitch here. Wrap the yarn twice, go into this chain 2 space of previous row, green chain 2 space, and make triple crochet stitch. Now go into this yellow chain 2 space of second row and make 2 double crochet stitches here. Again wrap the yarn twice, go into this green chain 2 space and make second triple crochet stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end and weave the extra yarn end with the help of needle to some backside stitches. So friends, here is our simple and easy 3D coaster. You can repeat more rows to make a crochet doily for this pattern as well. So this is very beautiful and easy pattern. If you have any question about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.